Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to JPDC Cebu City. As you can see, I am here right now at our project location here at Cebu City inside of Marina Asia World near Okada and PITX station. Ayan. So, this one is the Tower E. Nakomplete na siya for turnover next year, fourth quarter 2026. And then ito naman po sa ground floor, ayan is yung mga commercial area natin. We are selling also the commercial area, so if you are investors or business minded, and if you want to put a business here, this one po. Ayan. And then second floor and third floor, parking area. Fourth floor, we also selling that one. Office space po yan. So, if you are renting right now ng office space, so aware naman po tayo kung gaano kamahal yung mga office space. Ayan, binibenta po natin yan. So, yan. Ayan. So, near Okada po ito. And then, our project is facing by the bay. Cebu po talaga. Then, start po ng mga residential unit is nasa 5th floor. Amenity area na rin yun. Isang buong floor yung amenity area po natin. So, yan. So, meron po tayo ditong studio. 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, and 5 bedroom. Also, commercial and office space. So, mag-inquire na po kayo guys kasi by next year, fourth quarter 2026, starting na po ng turnover ng mga units. Kasabay po ng mga commercial area. So, magagamit na po yung mga commercial area po natin. So, if you want to put a business here, so, mag-inquire na po kayo sa akin and then mag-reserve na po kayo. Thank you guys!